Introducing Kitchen OS by Mukunda Foods. The main purpose of a Kitchen OS is to help restaurants or cloud kitchens to organize, prioritize, change and track orders. Let's deep dive into Kitchen OS and learn what exactly can be done along with its applications. Hassle-free servicing with predictive maintenance and servicing. Customers need not worry about raising a service ticket and delaying the process. Kitchen OS with the help of IoT will capture most of the service complaints in the machine and direct the information to the service team for quick action and service. Know what's happening inside the kitchen sitting anywhere in this world thanks to Kitchen OS report system that tells how many orders are being cooked in the machine as per the SOP. Detailed report on failure recipes and unfollowed processes for staff training and many more. Helps in understanding machine insights to improve and optimize the machine usage. Thanks to KOS reporting system, which helps brand owners and outlet managers to understand how effectively machines are being used during peak and non-peak hours to optimize their energy consumption. Add, remove or edit recipes across all the machines with a single click. Feeling like adding new menu to your brand as per market trends? Kitchen OS will help you do this remotely across all your machines with over-air updates (OTA). Currently not available in Fryer version 1.